we are in snowy Vail, Colorado. As you can see, we have a little lack of snow. Honestly, it was an amazing day. Up at the top, we had some great snow, but more importantly, we had a ton of patients that were out there enjoying their new hips and knees and getting to do what they want to do.
Excited, we're ready to go.
3 months, 1 week out for my knee. Felt good. A little scary at first, but better than not being on the snow.
You know, Dr. Steadman started this clinic back in 1990, and he was all about getting these athletes back up on their feet, back up on the hill, winning Olympic gold medals. We have just carried on that legacy through replacing knees and hips and getting patients back on the hill. So it was a great day.
Two Knees by Dr. Kim, 2023, but one in March, one in September. Week 7 on recovery, I was playing tennis, pickleball, and skiing.
It's warm. It's warm. I was sweating up on the hill there. So I actually wore ski pants, but you know, now that we're down doing the reception, having some lunch, it got a little warm. So took off the ski pants and sporting my Team USA socks and a little bit of an unconventional outfit, but you know, we got to roll with the weather. That's how it is. And again, it's all about taking good care of patients and getting them back to doing what they want to do.
What makes this place so special is the community engagement, because you'll wear this hat around and people will stop you and be like, oh, I had surgery with Dr. Steadman, or oh, I've been seen there. And that is very unique within the world of orthopedic surgery, and it's really this community that is what makes this place so special. So thank you all for being here and showing up and doing this stuff.
But in all seriousness, I do want to thank Dr. Kim for my 2 new knees. He has encouraged me to love my new knees, and I have. I'm still running, and I'm truly grateful for Dr. Kim allowing me to live the kind of life I want to. Thank you, Dr. Kim.
Thank you, George. And we always say, we do the carpentry, but you are doing the hard stuff, the PT, the rehab, the recovery, so it's always a team effort. Of course.